Looking for strength, stability, and pinpoint accuracy in your routing? The Rutlands Cast Router Table delivers professional-grade performance and exceptional results. The single-piece cast-iron tabletop is precision-ground and polished for a perfectly flat, ultra-smooth surface. At 800 by 600 millimeters, it's large enough for long, heavy workpieces and dense enough to absorb vibration for the cleanest possible cuts. Beneath the table, the R15 router lift makes ultra-fine adjustments effortless. Just insert the crank handle and dial in your bit height. Once set, a spindle locking mechanism keeps it there, withstanding any vibration. Driving it all is the 2,400-watt router motor with variable speed control from 10,000 to 21,000 RPM. Work it all from the integrated NVR switch, which provides a safe and convenient way to power and control your motor, while soft start and an integrated air-cool system protect your motor from overheating, crucial for when it's installed within the Rutlands dust box or dust cabinet. The precision CNC-machined aluminium fence features dual sub-fences with a premium-grade, low-friction phenolic laminate. The fences can be adjusted tool-free to accommodate any router bit from 10 to 115 millimeters, and the outfeed fence can be offset to allow for edge planing. The table stand is made from thick box-section steel, and large 45mm diameter feet provide optimum stability with fine height adjustment for leveling on uneven floors. Machined into the tabletop is a double T-track system, a 19mm track for use with mitre gauges and feather boards, and a 6.3mm track for stops and homemade jigs. We also offer a wide range of optional extras to kit out your table, from roller guides and micro adjusters to our power feeder and wheel kit. When precision matters, start with the Rutlands Router Table system for total control, cut after cut.